Hey Sam, welcome back to my channel.
Welcome back to my channel.
It's your girl Jhnel, and as you can see from the title, I will be treating my mom to a spa day.
Okay.
Mommy, we are going to Brooklyn
And this is my channel.
No, mommy, we can't post this yet. Take one, part two.
You can go straight ahead, please, ma'am, and wash your hands at the back.
But my mom gotta fill this out first. I'm finishing mine.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I'm vlogging, so.
You already filled hers out too?
No, I gotta fill her out. but
Okay, thank
I'm
you.
just telling you I'm finished.
Are you a vlogger?
Huh?
You're a vlogger?
Yeah, I have a YouTube.
Okay.
So y'all, I'm changed into my role. Let's see what's gonna happen. Like, it's pretty relaxing.
It's just a good way to get a deep cleanse at home.
Okay. Yeah. You know who I saw came here?
Ooh.
Reese Witherspoon.
Okay, I'm here.
Yeah, I don't know if it's Witherspoon is her last name, but Reese. And I'm like, this is beautiful. I want to go here. I want to take my mom because it's her birthday.
Oh, it's a birthday. Happy birthday.
And she works 24/7, so
Aww.
I gotta take her.
This one new too? That,
Yeah, both of them.
no. Okay. So, only if I'm going a little too high. You wanna make sure you're doing this like every other day or every other night. Make sure your nose is nice and clean. And with the products you're using, to really penetrate deeply. I know, let you see how much come out with it, right? Really sink in. You're not claustrophobic or anything like that, right?
No.
Then I'm gonna put this jade mask over it as well. It's a little weighted, but jade is good for calming purposes, and it's gonna press the nutrients from the chocolate mask even further into your pores. Okay.
Okay. It's gonna be my thumbnail. So y'all know my mom. My mom went in there and showed the lady basically where the pressure points are and like how to really get into the face, because sometimes the clients are not feeling anything. So my mom is a massage therapist, so she kind of guided her on what to do. You know, my mom, typical mommy. But happy birthday. So y'all, I'm getting some water, you know, just relaxing, waiting for my mom to come. Thank you.
You're welcome.
One eternity later.
Y'all, I forgot to close out the video. I was ready to take a nap, but I hope y'all like, comment, subscribe. If you enjoy this video, make sure you share. Support is free. You know, your girl trying, but as you can see, my face is wonderful. Like, it's so it's feeling very good, y'all. Like, no lie. But yeah, that's the end of this video. Stay tuned for the next one.